In this video, we will learn how to turn a black dress colorful in Adobe Photoshop 2025. Go to the toolbar, click on the Object Selection tool. Go to the toolbar at the top. Click on the Mood drop-down box. Select the Lasso tool. Select the dress. Click on the Layer menu. Go to New. Click on the Layer via Copy. Go to the Layer panel. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon. Click on Solid Color. Right click on the Color Fill layer. Click on Create Clipping Mask. Now click on Blending option. Select Multiply. Select the dress layer. Click on the Image menu. Go to the Adjustment. Click on Label. Increase the dress lighting. Click on the OK button. Now double click on the Color Fill layer. Select the color of your choice. Thanks for watching the video.